Hello guys, welcome to Eduvert. Today I am going to just give you some knowledge and about this looping structure in C programming. So then let's see about looping structure in C programming. So first of all, let us see its introduction about the loop in C programming. So guys, you can see here looping definition has been mentioned. Looping is the process of executing the same program statement or block of program statements repeatedly for specified number of times or till the given condition is satisfied. So what it means to say? So we can see here looping is the process. It is the process of executing the same program statement or block of program. That means if we want to execute the same statement or block of statements which is in the given program, okay, again and again, then we can, okay, this process of execution is called as looping. That means if same statement of a program or block of statements of a program is to be executed again and again, then that concept is called as looping concept or looping in C programming. So that means how it is done? That means it could be repeatedly for a specified number of times. That means how many times repetition is to be done, that we can specify, or till the given condition is satisfied. So condition will be given, and if that condition is met or if the condition is true, till the condition is true, the block of statement gets executed repeatedly. So let us see guys, let us move further, and we can see there are mainly three types of looping. So basically there are three types of looping in C programming. So we can see here while loop, so while loop, then after do while loop, and there is the third one, for loop. So these are very common type of looping which are generally found in almost different types of programming language. Not only in C programming, this looping structure could be found in Q basic, in C, C++, or and other programming languages too. So these are some of the common type of looping structure which is also found in C programming as well. So while loop, do while loop, and for loop. So first of all, let us see about this while loop. So while loop, let us see the syntax first. Okay, syntax. In syntax we can see first of all there is initialization. That means we give the initial value for a variable which we are using in the loop. So in loop we use a variable for looping, and for that variable we have to initialize a value. Let us say int1. Let us keep say int I equals to 1. In this way I equals to 1. So in this way we can initialize a value to a variable. Initialization means giving the initial value to a variable. That is called as initialization. So after that, after initializing a value to a variable, then we give the condition. So while keyword is used, okay, for while loop. Then after inside bracket we give a condition, and if that condition is true or till the condition is true, the execution takes place. That means whatever it is given inside this loop structure, that means this is the opening bracket and this is the closing bracket. So whatever we give inside this opening and closing bracket is the body of this while loop. So this is the body of this while loop. So till the condition is true, this statement gets executed. So first is the statement, main statement to be executed. Then we give we either increase or decrease the value of a variable which is mentioned in the condition to form a loop. Let's say I is equals to 1, I less or equals to, sorry, I, if I is less or equals to 10, let us say, then we can just give other statement for printing anything. Let's say printing hello. Then we either increase or decrease the value of a variable I. That means here we can use I plus plus, so that the value of I will be increased by 1. So plus plus is a unary operator, a increment operator, this one, increment unary operator, which increases the value of I by 1. So initial value is I equals 1, then I plus plus changes the value of I to 2, then again it changes to value of I to 3, and so on. So that, okay, after changing the value of I, okay, every time the condition is being checked. If the condition is true, this statement gets executed. Again the value of I is changed, again condition is checked, and if the condition is true, this statement gets executed. Again checking, again checking, again increasing the value of I, checking condition. If it is true, statement gets executed. So in this way, this looping while loop does the work. Now let us see its flow chart. Okay, let us see its flow chart. Okay, flow chart is, we could see here. Okay, it's little bit hang. Okay, so we can see here is the flow chart. So flow chart, we can see here there is the entry loop, entry is here, and here is initialization. We can see, okay, we can see here is the initialization. This is the initialization, here it is mentioned. Then we give the condition inside parallelogram. So this is diamond box, inside diamond box we give the condition, and if the condition is true, that means if the condition is true, then statement gets executed, then increment or decrement takes place, and if the condition is false, then the control of the program comes out of this loop, and whatever it is there, that gets executed. So we can see here, if the condition is false, then the program comes out of the loop. The control of the program comes out of this while loop. Now we are going to just see one example, okay, related to this while loop. I'm going to do one example for you all. So let us do one example. Okay, so this is my text editor. I'm going to demonstrate you one example using while loop. Studio.h, conio.h, then I'm giving void main, then we give the body of the main module int. Let us say int, let us say I equals to 1, while I is less or equals to 10, then what? Then printf hello friends. Okay, hello friends, we are going to print hello friends 10 times. Let's say now I'm increasing the value of I by 1. Then after I'm using get ch after this loop to hold the screen. So here let us put /n so that line gets changed. So this program will print hello friends 10 times. So how it is done? Let's see. First of all, I is initialization. This is called initialization. And this is called condition. So here is the condition, and if this condition is true, this statement gets executed. Statement, yeah, correct spelling. Statement gets executed, and here is the increment of the variable value. Increment is done. So here, since I is 1, condition is true, 1 is lesser or equals to 10, so this statement gets executed. Then the value of I is increased by 1. This time I value becomes 2. Again it goes for checking for the condition. 2 is lesser or equals to 10. Then this statement gets executed. Hello friend gets printed. Then again I value is increased by 1. Now it becomes 3. Value of I becomes 3. Then it goes for the condition for checking again. So since 3 is lesser or equals to 10, condition is true. Again this statement gets executed. So in this way, keep it the value of I keeps on increasing by 1, and that value is being checked here within the condition, and till the condition is true, this statement goes on printing. So it will print hello friends 10 times, because when I value is, it goes up to 10, and till 10 the condition will return the true value. That's why it will print hello friends 10 times, and when the value of I becomes 11, the condition becomes false. Then this statement does not get executed. Then the control of the program comes out of this loop, and then we can see here is get ch to hold the screen so that we can see the output. Now let us try to execute this program. Let us compile first. Let us save it. While loop, let us write while loop, save it. Okay, program has compiled successfully. Now let us run it. Okay friends, here you can see the hello friends statement is printed 10 times. We can count also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So hello friends is printed 10 times. So I hope you have understood the use of this while loop, how it is to be used, and what is the syntax for using this while loop. So I hope friends you have liked this, you have understood this the use of while loop. So thank you very much for watching this video. So please I request you to please like, share, give some comments, feedback for my video which I am making, and I hope you all are liking this video. So please I need your support. Please share among your friends so that it might motivate me and it will encourage me to give you to just move on to other lecture videos also. So please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Eduvert. So please subscribe it and press the bell button so that you will get the latest notification of my video. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you very much.